Good morning, student of class 8. Today we will study English literature, chapter number 4, solving tough problems of life. What is the chapter name? Solving tough problems of life. Everyone we have problems in our life. So how to solve it? So this chapter it will help you. So here there is an activity. Get set. Imagine you are the class monitor and your class is supposed to conduct the morning assembly on a particular day. The student who was to present the morning news suddenly falls ill and is unable to come to school. Your teacher also has not reached because the school bus by which she commutes has broken down on the way. You have just 20 minutes in hand before the morning assembly begins. How will you handle the situation? What there is activity for you that you are the class monitor and you have to conduct the morning assembly and you have given any student for morning news to present, but unfortunately that boy or girl is suffering from it and now she will not come today, and actually who has your class teacher also is getting late. So how you will handle the situation, that you have to write here. Okay, within 2 or 3 sentences you have to write down. So read and enjoy. Today I will read, tomorrow I will explain. Here, problem solving is a skill that a person needs to acquire and hone it as he or she grows up. Life, like a hurdle race, presents different kinds of problems at every steps of the way. As we find the solution to one problem, another one crops up. However, as we confront our problems and solve them one by one, our understanding of the world and of the people who live in it improves. There is no problem that cannot be solved. One only needs the will and the right attitude to solve it. So, read and enjoy now. Chapter. Tough problems do not get solved easily. They often pose a big challenge to the people concerned. These frustrating outcomes occur all the time in life. Countries are no exceptions to it. Countries get split over controversial issues and try to negotiate a peaceful settlement. Next page. There is a way to solve tough problems. The people involved can talk and listen to each other for a peaceful and honorable settlement. Always remember that tough problems never last long, but tough people do. We simply need patience listening to get better at talking so that we can negotiate more successfully, choosing the peaceful way more often. Although most of the problems in life can be easily solved with resolute efforts, there are some problems which are really tough and cannot be solved easily. They are difficult to solve because they are complex in many ways. Nature of the problem, unfamiliarity of the people trying to find a solution with the exact cause of the problem, and its social perspective could be some of the reasons making certain problems too tough to be solved. Our usual way of talking and listening often fails to solve a complex problem because our most common way of talking is telling others to follow only our way of thinking. We do not presume that there could be other ways and possibilities of looking at the truth. As a result, we like to listen to our own talking, not to others. Naturally, a problem, especially a complex problem, cannot be solved peacefully if the people who are part of the problem are deprived of the opportunity of presenting their viewpoint on the issue frankly and creatively. Our common way of talking and listening, therefore, does not guarantee solution to our complex problems. The complex problems either remain stuck or get unstuck only by some kind of force. Last para is that what is to be done then to solve our tough problems? Well, we get stuck only by holding on tightly to our views and opinions on a certain subject. Okay, now up to here I have read. You have to you have to read it, this chapter, twice at least. It's not too big. Okay, and after that some word meaning are there, maybe 10 or 12 is there. So complete word meaning in fair copy. Tomorrow I will explain it. Okay, thank you for today.